how to assign a template to a page in Shopify. To do this, we have to go to the left-hand side here to our online store. We click on that one, and from the drop down, we make sure we have themes selected. And now here on the right, you want to click on customize, and that will take us to this view here. And now you can see here up here it says homepage. So we want to click on this down arrow here, and you want to look all the way down here until you see create meta object template. This goes for other pages like products, for example. You can just go to, it just says create template. I'm just going to click on that. Here you can add the name of the template and the type of product it's based on. Then you just click on create template. And once you do that, you go back here to the top left corner, you click on exit, and back to online store we go to pages now. And here on the right we can go add page, and once we're in this menu here, you're gonna look here to the right, and under visibility you see online store, and now here it says theme template. You just click on this one and you choose the template you've created, and after you're done customizing it, you just click on save, and that's it. That's how you assign a template to a page in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.